Good morning, my name's Vicky and I'm a stylist and a lifestyle blogger over at thefashionablemum.com. Today I'm going to teach you a recipe that you can serve when you're hosting your Australia's biggest morning tea. Now I'm sure that you can hear by my accent that I'm not Australian, I'm English. Now at an English morning tea we would probably serve little cucumber sandwiches with the crusts cut off, scones with butter, jam and fresh cream, freshly poured tea and some French champagne. Now I've been reliably informed that this is not what you serve in Australia. In Australia you serve fairy bread. Now fairy bread, or pain au fait as I would call it if I give it its French name, is a really simple dish and I'm going to teach you how to make it today. Staying with the French theme, I'm going to use a baguette. A baguette is French bread for the pain au fait. Now all we do is we simply spread the baguette with some butter. Like so. Easy so far. And then we simply get the sprinkles and put them onto the baguette. Like so. Fairy bread or pain au fait. Delicious for serving at your Australia's biggest morning tea. Yummo! Oh my god! What the hell?